Are you new to research and without a digital library? In this video, I'll guide you on how to use Google Scholar to find academic sources easily. Let's dive in. Simply type Google Scholar in your web browser. Click on the first option. So you can also find it by typing in scholar.google.com. So let's put in our topic. So it will give me articles that are related to my search topic. Now, one thing to note, if you want the word supply and demand to appear as keywords in all your articles, simply put them in inverted commas at the beginning and at the end of each word. Maintain and then your inverted commas. So this will give you articles with keywords, supply, and demand. Now, if you want either or of the words to appear as keywords in your articles, simply remove the word and replace it with or. So this will give you your articles having the word supply, either supply or demand as keywords. Now to the right, you'll notice that all our articles are in PDF. We can open one. So this is a very good starting point for people who are new to research and have no digital library. So this is our document, and as you can see here, it's downloadable. So when we move to the left, you'll notice that we have years. So Google Scholar has made it very simple for us to search by year. So I can click on any year to have articles within this year. So this will give me articles within the year I have clicked on. If I want a custom range, I'll still click on custom range and feed in the period. Say I want 2020 to 2023, then click search. So this will also give me articles within this range that I have input. Now, one thing to note, for you to use custom range, it's a very good technique when you are dealing with literature review that is systematic. But if you're dealing with research gaps, you can use the years, because with research gaps, they always need the latest research. Now, Google Scholar is also very helpful when it comes to referencing. I may want to borrow a piece of literature from this article, and I want to put it in my own words. So for me to be able to reference that piece of literature that I've put in my own words, I'll come down here to cite and click on it. Then I'll choose the citation style that is relevant to my university. Select APA. So all you do is copy it and paste it in your document. Now, if you also want to read the whole article where your citation is coming from, still just copy it and then paste it in your web browser. And this will give you the full article where your citation is coming from. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been very helpful for beginners. See you another time.